Good morning students. How are you all? Today we are going to start solution of chapter number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Question number 1, define the following terms. Number 1, weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind, speed, etc. is called weather. वेदर क्या होता है? जो दिन ब दिन एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन में जो चेंजेस हमें दिखाई देते हैं वो किसके रिलेटेड होते हैं? टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी, रेनफॉल, स्पीड एक्सेट्रा, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? वेदर. क्लाइमेट. द एवरेज वेदर पैटर्न टेकन ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इज कॉल्ड क्लाइमेट ऑफ द रीजन. यानी जो वेदर कंडीशन है उसे बहुत सालों तक उसे देखा जाता है, उसे काउंट किया जाता है, राइट? तो वो उसकी जो एवरेज होती है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? क्लाइमेट. जैसे कि पर्टिकुलर एरिया में क्लाइमेट हमेशा मौसम वैसा ही रहता है बहुत सालों तक, राइट? चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव्स फ्रॉम द गिवन बिलो ईच क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is not considered as an element of weather? Wind speed, humidity, climate और temperature. It is climate. Climate को weather का element count नहीं किया जाता है. When does the maximum temperature of the day occur? In the early morning, in the afternoon, at the evening, at night. तो afternoon जो है, afternoon के टाइम पे पूरे दिन का maximum temperature हम देख सकते हैं. Which of the following is the climate of Rajasthan? Very hot and wet, cold and dry, cold and wet, hot and dry. तो राजस्थान का वेदर कैसा है? क्लाइमेट कैसा है? हॉट एंड ड्राई. Which country is situated near the polar region? Brazil, Kenya, Uganda or Alaska? Alaska is situated near the polar regions. Which of the following animal can be seen in polar region? Toucan, white bear, macaque, elephant. तो जो white bear है वो polar region में मिलते हैं. Why? Because there is snow over whole year. Which of the following character is not of a penguin? Web feet, white color, thick skin, migration. So migration is not a character because penguins cannot move from one place to another. A carnivore with strip on its body move very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in polar regions, deserts, oceans or tropical rainforest. They are found in tropical rainforest. Which option best describes tropical region? Hot and humid, moderate temperature, heavy rainfall, cold and humid, hot and dry. So hot and humid is the best description of tropical region. Next question, fill in the blanks. The average weather taken over a long period of time is called climate. A place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of that place will be dash and dash. यानी लंबे समय तक वहाँ पे रेनफॉल नहीं हुआ है तो वहाँ का क्लाइमेट कैसा होगा? हॉट एंड ड्राई. The two regions of the earth with extreme climatic condition are dash and dash, the tropical rainforest and the polar region. All changes in the weather are caused by the dash. They are caused by the sun. Assam and Meghalaya receive rain for a major part of the year, so the climate of it is dash. It is wet क्योंकि ज़्यादातर यहाँ पे रेन्स पाए जाते हैं. The minimum temperature of the day occurs generally in the अर्ली मॉर्निंग, अर्ली मॉर्निंग पे वहां पे मिनिमम टेम्परेचर्स हम देख सकते हैं. Penguin is seen in dash region. It is seen in polar region. Toucan bird possesses a dash and dash beak, long and large beak. The lion-tailed macaque lives in the rainforest of dash. They live in the rainforest of Western Ghats. An elephant uses dash as a nose. It uses trunk as a nose. Next, true or false? In summer, day is long and night is short. It is true. Minimum temperature can be measured with simple thermometer. False. Number 3. Temperature of Chennai is very low. It is false. Number 4. Temperature of Srinagar is 45 degrees Celsius in summer. False, क्योंकि श्रीनगर में ठंड होती है. Number 5. Humidity means moisture content in air. It is true. Number 6. Sun sets early in summer compared to winter. It is false. Siberian crane arrive from Siberia to India in winter. It is true. Toucan is a variety of monkey. It is false. It is a bird. Red-eye frog lives in water. False. They live on trees. Siberian crane migrates in group. It is true. Question number 5. Answer the following question in one sentence each. What are the main elements of the weather? The main elements of weather are the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. क्योंकि ये जो elements हैं वो weather को predict करते हैं. Who prepare the weather report in India? The weather report in India are prepared by Meteorological Department of the government. Mention the type of climates. The type of climates are hot and dry, hot and humid, moderately hot and humid, cold and dry. So these are the types of climates found. What is called hot climate? If the temperature of a place remain high for most part of the year, then it is called hot climate. Write the names of animals found in polar regions. The names of animals found in polar regions are polar bear, penguins, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, etc. These are the animals which are found in polar region. What birds do when winter sets in the polar region? When winter sets in the polar region, birds migrate to warmer region. जब polar regions में winter में बहुत ठंड होती है तब वहाँ के जो birds हैं वो migrate करके warmer region में जाते हैं. Where do Siberian crane migrate from Siberia during cold winters? Siberian crane migrate from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana and some wetlands of northeast and some other parts of India. यानी Siberian cranes जो है वो साइबेरिया से विंटर में माइग्रेट करके सुल्तानपुर, देन भरतपुर एंड सम नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में वो आते हैं. What is the adaptation of red-eye frog? Red-eye frog has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. यानी उसके adaptation में हमें क्या दिखाई देता है कि जो उसके feet होते हैं वो webbed होते हैं और sticky होते हैं ताकि वो trees को easily पकड़ के चढ़ सके. Question number 9. Name the elements that determine the weather of a place. The temperature, rainfall, wind speed, etc. are the elements that determine the weather of a place. When are the maximum and minimum temperature likely to occur during the day? The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs generally in the early morning. Right, children? I hope you understood all this exercise. So after seeing the video, children, you will copy all the exercises in your notebooks. So thank you and have a nice day, children.